tea latte. No. Perfect. Crap. I forgot I have to flush my LECA plants. We'll do that tomorrow. Let's go do something else. Something more fun. Don't you wish chores can go that fast every single time you have chores to do? Okay, but now for some real chores. So, every year we have to get 3 kids stuff, and they're coming into the teenage years where we have no idea who these little humans are, and we don't know what they want. So what I did this year, especially not being able to go out and shop due to COVID and just not wanting to be in the crowds, I had them create Pinterest boards for me so that they can share a secret Pinterest board with me, which now I'm going to share with you guys. It's not a secret anymore. So we can get ideas of what they want. And then the links through Pinterest will take us straight to that store, and we can order whatever we want for them online. And we always tell them to put a little bit more in their boards so that they don't really know what we're buying. If they put 2 things in their boards, then they're gonna know what we're getting them. So let's dig on in here. Let me show you what their Pinterest pages look like. Okay, let's pull up Pinterest here. Now we have the birthday Christmas board, and you can see here that it's a secret board. Very secret. And Mia has stuff here from Zara, which is a clothing site, stuff from Etsy, Num Nums, I'm not sure what that means. Eating stuff, I guess. Bags. Anyway, you can see she created different boards for different things. So let's go into her Zara account here. And now all of these links should take you straight to the Zara website. At least that's what I told her to do. So we'll see if that happened. But she wants a soft touch cardigan. Okay, so if you click on here, you should be able to go straight to the Zara website. And it does not take me to the Zara website. Fun. So if it doesn't, sometimes pins don't. If you don't use Pinterest, I don't really understand it that well either. It's kind of difficult. But at least you have the name of the sweater here. You have the price. So you can just go on the Zara website, type in Zara.com, and then you can pull up that sweater, and then you can purchase it. It's pretty simple. So let's see if there's anything else in here. So there's clothes. Then we have, let's see what's in the Num Nums. What is this? Like, the kids aren't even in school and she wants a lunchbox. This is what I'm saying. This is teenager stuff, guys. We got washi tape. We have stuffed animals, a potato light. I mean, the list goes on. A full-length wall mirror. That's definitely teenager stuff. But anyway, okay, so we're gonna order one thing on here. So let's order, what should we order? Actually, I'm not going to tell her because... Actually, I'm not going to show you guys because if one of my kids are watching, then I don't want them to see what we bought. But we definitely just bought something. All right, guys. So if you guys are having a hard time with Christmas this year and you have kids old enough to use Pinterest, it's a really good idea for them to create a board and share it with you and just share some ideas of what they're wanting. Even if you can't get exactly what they pin, you can kind of have an idea of what they're into, Not saying you don't know what your kids are into, but we really don't. Like, their minds change day to day, so it's very difficult to, figure out what the heck they want for Christmas. And in a time where we don't want to waste money, we need to save money, I don't want to get something that's not meaningful to them. So have them create a Pinterest board. It's fun. And use Pinterest more often. And follow me on Pinterest, My Clean Leaves. I'll link it below. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Chai tea.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out.